Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video will be an unboxing video of another BarkBox, but this time I am unboxing a Super Chewer box. Last time I did one of these videos, I ordered just their regular basic toy box. This one has toys in it that are a bit more durable. So I've cut the tape on the bottom and let's see what they sent. So it looks like it's going to be a breakfast in bed theme. They had two theme options. They had a Space Jam theme and a breakfast one. I like the breakfast one more. So they sent me these duck recipe treats. It looks like you could probably put treats in here or peanut butter in here. So we're going to open up these toys and see what Phantom thinks. Oh, he sees the treats. He wants the treats more. I'm going to give him this little bacon and see if he's more interested in it. He doesn't seem interested in that grapefruit one. We'll see what he thinks of the bacon. So the grapefruit toy is really more meant for putting peanut butter and treats inside, while the piece of bacon is more for like chewing. Phantom really does like toys like this, but the problem with a lot of the ones I buy at the pet store is they start to fall apart. They can't withstand his chewing, but toys made of this kind of material that they make these durable toys out of seems to work really well for Phantom. Overall, I'd say that the Super Chewer box is a great box to order, especially if you have a dog that really likes to chew. And they will make sure not to send you anything that your dog might be allergic to, so you can ask them not to send you certain proteins. And these toys are very durable, and Phantom really enjoys them. I've had great experiences ordering these Tough Chewer boxes from many different companies. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.